My name is Ben Gartside with Beta Marine Canada. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Beta 30 that we have here. This is an engine that has been ordered for a customer, so it has some custom features on it, and we'll walk through all the standard equipment as well as the custom parts that it has. All the service points on the standard engine are placed near the front for ready access. Raw water pump here, engine oil change pump right there on the front, fuel filter right beside it, easy to access. Oil filter down here, same applies. Engine oil dipstick is on the top, very easy to find. There's no issues trying to find the location down the side of the motor. Oil fill, coolant filler on the top. Everything's easy. On this particular little Beta 30, the customized part of it is at the back end. The engine is replacing an old Volvo Model 2003 engine. The new motor has Volvo 2003 patent special feet, so that it will sit straight on the engine beds with no modification. It has a high-rise Volvo style crossover exhaust elbow, brings exhaust from the port side to the starboard side to line up with the existing exhaust system. And it also has, in this case, adapters to bolt up to the original Volvo down angle transmission. Each engine also comes with a set of flexible mounts and a choice of instrument panels. This is the standard panel that comes with the standard package. It contains all the basic vital information, key start, stop, tachometer with hour counter, and a good alarm system with a buzzer to attract your attention. Thank you for watching this little presentation. If you have any more questions or would like more information, please get in touch with us through the virtual boat show booth here or on our website in the future.